Welcome to Digital Scholar Hub. Today is the second lecture of WordPress course. Hope you have benefited from the first lecture of this course. You are requested to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and press the bell icon. So let's move on to today's lecture. Today we will learn how to install WordPress. Stay with me. First, ensure you have XAMPP installed on your computer, even if it's in a different drive than E. If you haven't installed XAMPP, do so now. Navigate to the directory where you've installed XAMPP. You'll find the XAMPP server folder there. Open the XAMPP server folder, and within it, locate the XAMPP control application. Double-click to launch it. This will open a control panel. Within the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache service by clicking on the Start button next to it. When Apache starts successfully, the status indicator will turn green. Next, start the MySQL service in the same manner. When both Apache and MySQL services are running, you can proceed. Open your web browser and type localhost phpMyAdmin in the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin dashboard. Within phpMyAdmin, you need to create a new database. This database will be used to store data for your WordPress website. Click the New button to create a new database. When creating the new database, choose a name for it. It's crucial to select a name without spaces and special characters. You can use underscores if needed. For example, if you plan to name your website Digitalscholarhub, you can name the database accordingly and click on Create. Now open a new web browser and navigate to the website wordpress.org, not .com. Here, you can obtain the WordPress software for free. Click on the Get WordPress option, or you can also click here. Upon clicking Get WordPress, a window will open displaying the latest version. Select Download WordPress 6.4.1 and click on it. The download will commence. It's approximately 23 megabytes in size. Right-click on the downloaded WordPress file and select Show in Folder. This will open your Downloads folder, where the WordPress file is located. In the Downloads folder, right-click on the WordPress file and choose Copy. Now, navigate to your XAMPP installation directory, which is typically in your E drive. Inside the XAMPP folder, look for a directory named htdocs. Open the htdocs folder. Once you are inside the htdocs folder, right-click and paste the WordPress setup you copied earlier. The WordPress setup file will now be in this folder. Right-click on the zip folder of WordPress, then select Extract here. This will unzip the folder. You can delete the zip file now, as it's no longer needed. You will now see the unzipped WordPress folder. Right-click on it and choose Rename. Rename the folder to the same name as your database, which in your case is Digitalscholarhub. After renaming it, now open a new browser tab localhost/Digitalscholarhub and press Enter to start the WordPress setup. Choose your preferred language. In my case, I'm selecting English, and then click on the Continue button. In the following step, you need to configure the database settings for WordPress. Now, as for the database username, password, host, and table prefix, you'll need to enter these details based on your MySQL configuration. Click on the Let's Go button to proceed. In the database username field, consistently use root, ensuring it matches the username set up in your local host. Leave the password field blank, as there is no need for a password. Maintain the database host name as localhost. Keep the table prefix as WP. It's essential not to modify these last two settings. They should remain unchanged. Once you've configured the top two settings, click the Submit button. You will receive confirmation that your setup is correct, signifying that WordPress is now capable of connecting to your database. Please be aware that your WordPress installation is ready to establish a connection with your database because we've configured it accurately. Proceed by clicking on Run Installation. Upon doing so, you will be prompted to provide essential information that will be used for logging into your WordPress. Start by entering the title of your site, which should match the name of your database. To maintain consistency, you should keep the name Digital Scholar Hub for your website. When creating your username, you can put any admin. I'll use Digitalscholarhub as well. Afterward, select a password. Since this is a localhost setup, security is less critical, so you can keep it simple. However, it's essential to check the box for Confirm Weak Password. Without this checkmark, a weak password may not work. Next, scroll down and provide your email address. In case your username encounters any issues, your email address can be used for login. After successfully logging in, you will access your WordPress dashboard. To view your website, right-click on the website name and open it in a new window. This website is what the public will see. The WordPress panel, where you can make adjustments, is separate and for your use. When you eventually move to cloud hosting, you can grant your clients access to this panel, just as you have on your laptop. This is how you install WordPress successfully for localhost on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching and listening. Subscribe, share, and like the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.